speedrun this. Let's go. Oh, we're done. Okay, nice. We're good now. So we are gonna speedrun downloads click chat in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Let's go. This will be Swar, bro. Let's go and download it. Bro, please work. Bro, please work. Oh my gosh. Bro, my internet is so bad. Wait, let me see my internet. Wait, let me see. Wi-Fi speed test. Let's go and run speed test. Holy crap, it's bad. Bro, it's so bad. Let's use the we gotta see if this. Oh, I think I loaded. Oh, nice. Okay, let's use our password. And I'm not gonna leak it because I don't want. Okay, we're mixing. Save. What the? Okay, so does that work? Check. Wait a second. I don't want to leak it. Chat, I tried everything I do and it doesn't work. Okay, guys, we're here now. Let's wait. It's signing in. Wait, let me just wait there for a second. It's connecting, yes. Okay, start now. 3, 2, 1. Oh, shit. Bro, what the hell is my internet? Chat? Why the hell is my internet like this? Guys? Oh my! Yo, chat, look at this. Chat, look at my freaking internet. Wait, let me just my here we go, chat. Hey, chat, we're good. We're using another encoder. Let's use another one. Let's go. Holy crap, my download is so trash. Upload is so fast. So this Wi-Fi right here is so freaking trash. Okay, nice, very good. Let's create a new video. Okay, chat, we're waiting for freaking. Oh my gosh, my freaking internet is like this. Only look at this internet, bro. My freaking mic, bro. My freaking mic. Okay, nice. You're nice here now. Okay, let's go and use screen only. What the hell? Wait a second. Bro, why is my internet always? God. Guys, hello. Oh my gosh, what the hell? That this recording is gonna be trash, okay? Oh my gosh, they reminding me for this. Okay, let's test it. Let's see if my recording is gonna be good. Bro, I'm finding a clip champ recording because my freaking storage here is so trash. So I'm gonna go and search here storage. I don't know why is my storage not here. Guys, why the hell is my mouse like this? Storage. So why is my storage like this? Okay, what the hell? Bro! Guys, I think my okay, nice chat is lagging. Okay, nice bro. Okay, that's for today's video.